guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dee Dee with Dee Dee Loves Beauty, and today I'm coming to you with a summer essentials summer vacation haul. I'm actually about to get ready to go on to vacation actually this week, and so maybe by the time you guys see this video I'll actually be on vacation. However, I'm really excited about going on this trip. It's definitely things that you want to pack when you are going on a summer vacation. Just some essentials that I like to always make sure that I have in my bag. So if you would like to see the things that I picked up for this vacation, or some of the things that I picked up for this vacation, please keep on watching. And guys, make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you remember to hit that notification button if you have not done so yet. For all of my followers that I do have, thank you so much for subscribing, and let's get on to the video. Alright, so the first thing that I want to talk about is swimwear. Of course, swimwear is definitely important when you are going on a beach or summer vacation. And so this swimsuit that I picked up here, it looks like this. This is the top, and this is what the top looks like up here. Okay, so this is the top, and then the bottom is just high-waist bottoms. And I picked up this swimsuit from Amazon. Guys, Amazon is the perfect place to pick up basically anything, because if you have Amazon Prime, they ship it to you within 2 days. And then if it doesn't fit, if you don't like it, whatever the reason is, if you need to return it, a lot of the vendors with Amazon, you have free returns. It's very simple. Only thing you have to do is print out that barcode, put it right back on the same packaging, drop it off at a UPS or Amazon locker or something like that. And so it's extremely convenient for me. I buy so much stuff off Amazon Prime just because it's so convenient. So again, this is a swimsuit. I really like the print. You know, a lot of these items that come from Amazon, they are from China, I believe, so you have to make sure you size up of what you would typically wear. And so I really like this swimsuit. I'm going to insert a picture of what it looks like on the model on Amazon. Fortunately, I'm not going to be trying any of these items on today. It's not a try-on haul. I'm just sharing you what I picked up. So this is the first swimsuit that I'll be wearing on my vacation. The next one, so this next one I really like. It's very vibrant. Where I'm going, I think it would definitely look nice there. So I like this swimsuit. It actually is a one piece. It has sleeves that look like this, as you can see, on both sides. It also has a zipper, which I really like. So you can just zip it down in the front and then zip it back. This swimsuit, I'll also insert a picture of it on the model as well. So I really like it. It's pink and white and has some beautiful blue colors in it as well. So I really like this one. And this is another one that I got off Amazon. I'll make sure that I link all of the items that I purchased from Amazon, and because basically almost everything that I got for this trip that I'm going to show you today is from Amazon. So if you are interested in any of the items that I show you guys today, just make sure you look down in the description box and the links will be there. So the next thing I want to talk about is a fanny pack. I know these fanny packs, they are definitely coming back into style recently. They're very convenient. You could just wrap them around your waist and go. You don't have to worry about having a large purse. You don't have to worry about having a crossbody going across you. You could just put it around your waist. And so this one that I picked up, like I said before, it is from Amazon, and it is gold, and it has the little tassel on the end like this. Guys, I really love the color. I think it will match with numerous things. It has the detailed here that is kind of textured. It reminds me of the Gucci fanny packs that I've seen recently on some of celebrities that I've seen online. But I definitely like this. It looks like this at the top, so it's more of a oval shape. And so you open it up like this, and it's definitely a lot of space. I think that I will be able to fit, well, I already tried to fit my cell phone in. It fits in perfectly. A little wallet, a lip balm. You know, when you're on vacation or you're at the beach or something like that, you don't really want to have to carry around a lot of things. So I think this is definitely a perfect size to fit things in. It's a lot. So I really like this one. So again, it looks like this. This is what the back looks like. So the actual strap looks like this, and it just goes into the back of the fanny pack. And where I got this from on Amazon, they also have different colors. They have this gold color. They also have it in black. They have it in a rose gold color as well. I don't remember if they have it in other additional colors, but this is definitely a good buy if you want to try out the fanny pack trend without having to purchase the high designer and products that are out now. So again, this is a fanny pack. I definitely think this is a go-to or a need. If you don't want to do the fanny pack, of course you could also do a crossbody, but I know most people are definitely not walking around with full big purses or totes like that when they're on vacation. So again, this is this, and I really like it. The next thing that I want to talk about is when you are actually going to the beach. Of course, you need a beach bag. You need something that is going to be able to fit in all of the things that you may need when you're at the beach, like your sunscreen, if you're carrying sunglasses, a beach hat, beach towels, anything like that. So this is a beach bag that I picked up. It is in a chevron print, and it is actually, the material is like a what is it called, a burlap sack? I think that's what I'm thinking about. So it's very scratchy, but again, it's perfect for the beach. It won't get messed up. This is a very large size, as you can see. Okay, I love that it's neutral colors, so it'll fit with anything you're carrying. Not that it matters if your beach bag is actually the same color as whatever you're wearing to the beach. I mean, honestly, it doesn't matter. So it has very sturdy straps here. They are in a nude color, and again, the beach bag looks like this. So you definitely need a beach bag when you're going on vacation, because you definitely don't want to have to carry all of your things out just in your arms, because that is definitely how you end up losing things. Another important thing you need when you're going on vacation is sunscreen. So sunscreen, everybody needs sunscreen. I will say for myself personally, sunscreen is important because I have issues with sunburn really bad. It's ironic, but yes, I do have issues with sunburn. I also have issues with being allergic to a lot of the chemical-based sunscreens. I don't know what chemical it is in the sunscreens that I'm allergic to, but when I tell you, it does not matter where I am. If somebody is spraying sunscreen with chemicals in it, I will run away, because I definitely break out into hives. Y'all, it's a mess. Like, I hate it. I have ruined several vacations because I broke out due to being exposed to chemical sunscreen. So with that being said, I have to actually go with a mineral sunscreen. I cannot use chemical sunscreens. They have to be mineral based. And this is one that I picked up. This is, let's see if that's focusing. Okay, this is by the brand Badger. It's unscented, broad spectrum, SPF 30. And this is a zinc oxide sunscreen cream. Okay, it says it's water resistant up to 40 minutes. So, you know, with all sunscreens, they only last for a certain period of time, and then you do have to reapply. So with this one, it says it's water resistant to 40 minutes. It's non-GMO, non-nano, and it's biodegradable. It says it's safe, effective, family friendly. It's 100% certified natural and 98% organic ingredients listed in it. So again, this is not my first time getting this. This is definitely, I think I found this maybe a year ago. Yeah, it was a year ago when I first tried this, and it definitely comes out. It is a white consistency in the bottle. It's a white cream. Now, I will say for us darker skinned women, it does leave a white cast on it, but you know, hey, I don't have that many options. So if any of you are also allergic to chemical sunscreen and you found some great mineral based sunscreens, please let me know in the comments so that I could try some other ones out, because like I said, this does leave a white cast on my body, but I can't go without. Like, I can't go on a vacation and sit in the sun all day without a sunscreen, because again, like I said, I do sunburn easily and it's horrible. So this is another summer vacation essential that I definitely think everybody should have, which is some form of sunscreen. Alright, so the last thing that I want to talk about, which is my personal favorite, is sunglasses. Now, sunglasses, guys, are a given when you're in the sun. If you're not going to have on a beach hat, maybe you already are wearing a beach hat, but sunglasses are a given. I wear sunglasses all the time. Whenever the sun is out, you're going to catch me with sunglasses on. So I have 3 pairs of sunglasses that I'm going to show you guys that I picked up, and I'll let you know where I got them from, and you can check to see if they have them still in stock. So the first pair of sunglasses looks like this. And I really like these sunglasses. They have a blue tint to them, and I will try them on. These sunglasses I actually picked up from Forever 21. Forever 21 has awesome sunglasses. I really like these. They have a blue tint to them, like I said, and then they have the gold frames going around them. So these are very cute, and I think they'll be really cute with that one of the swimsuits that I showed you earlier. So I really do like these. I picked these up for the trip as well. Now, these next 2 pair of sunglasses that I'm going to show you guys are actually sunglasses that I picked up in the middle of the mall. I cannot think of the, what is the stand? You know, the stands that are in the middle of the mall, New York collection, NYS collection, something like this. I think it's NYS collection that's in the middle of the mall, but anyway, they have some really cute sunglasses. Go check them out. Don't just walk past. Sometimes they're trying to get you to stop in to get the sunglasses, but sometimes they really have some cute ones. So the first ones that I'm going to show you look like this. Okay, and these have the brown right here. So let me get up closer so you can see that. So they have brown, and then the actual frame, it's purple, and then it's pink at the bottom, so it's a cute little gradient effect. And then this is what the back of the sunglasses look like. These are very large frames. So again, they are very large, but I like them. What do you guys think? Y'all, look at these. Tell me these are not just everything. They are all black. Okay, this is what they look like at the back. Let's see here. Loving them. Now, I was actually stepping out of the box with these sunglasses. I have never had sunglasses with frames this big and with this shape on them as well, but I love these guys. These have a gradient effect as well, so you can see at the top they're very dark, and then at the bottom they're very kind of lighter there. So again, just to wrap up, sunglasses, a fanny pack, a beach bag, sunscreen, also swimwear. So obviously there are other things that you need on a vacation of any sort, whether it's a summer vacation, beach vacation, island vacation, whatever you're doing, honey. Yes, there are other things that you need to pack, but these are just some of the ones that I want to share with you guys. on my upcoming trip. So again, if you are following me on Instagram, my Instagram name is Ddluvsbeauty. It is the same as my YouTube channel as well. Go there and follow me because I will be posting numerous photos where I'm going on my vacation. If you want to see the outfits that I'm wearing on my vacation, go ahead to Instagram and follow me, Ddluvsbeauty. Again, guys, don't forget to, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe and that bell so that you'll get notifications of when I upload videos in the future. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please come back, come chill with me again. I'll definitely have more videos coming up in the future. And thanks for all of my subscribers that I have so far. You are truly, truly appreciated. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.